Good morning, Internet. It is November 2022. It is riding season out there in Texas because you can now ride through the day. I gotta tell you, if something bad happens to your motorcycle, something not so favorable, such as, when my handguard blew off, on an overpass, scour the Internet for some cheap stuff. You'd be shocked what you find. Be creative, be innovative, try new things, and be prepared to have the wrong hardware on what you purchase. Be prepared to go to the Home Depot and find some bolts. For me, I had to borrow my plumbing pipe cutter to cut the nylon bushings for that mount because the mount was technically incorrect. So, you gotta sometimes take the curves as they come, which is what I did here. And even though the original install would have made these misaligned, so one half-inch higher than the other, it came out great. So I want to say, hey, get out there, do what you do best, ride, and enjoy your bike. I want to thank everybody from the World's Dirtiest Workshop and Rider of the Storm. Have a great day.